Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to back up your MS Word file to OneDrive Cloud. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you sign in into your MS Word, just like what you see right here. You can see my Outlook account right here. Then having successfully signed into your MS Word, then from here you can back up all your documents from MS Word to your Microsoft Outlook or OneDrive account. And for you to do that, all right, so the next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on File. Then this is going to come for. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Save As, and it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you select your OneDrive account. And the next thing you need to do is to click on OneDrive Personal, and it open up like so. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Save. And in a few seconds, the file is going to be saved into your OneDrive Cloud. Now, for you to confirm if the file have actually saved successful into your OneDrive account, so the next thing you need to do is to simply bring out your OneDrive account. So what you need to do is to simply go to this particular website. So account.microsoft.com. Then from here, you can simply log in with your Microsoft Outlook name and password, and it take you right here. And after you have logged in with your username and your password, it takes you to your account right here. As you can see, this is the same as my Microsoft Word account ID. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply come to the Microsoft storage section, click on that, and you have it right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to OneDrive, and in a few seconds, it's going to load to your OneDrive storage. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on OneDrive right here. Then it take you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to your file document right here. Click on My Files. Then you have it right here, just like so. Then this is the DOC that we back up into our cloud storage. So if you have any issue with your PC, it's not going to affect the file because you have successfully backed up the file into your cloud storage. What you need to do to get back the file is to simply log in with your username and your password, download the file from here, and reopen it when you are eventually solve your PC problem. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply back up your MS Word file document from your PC into your OneDrive cloud storage. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.